Today we are making the easiest cookies ever. Rich, crumbly, buttery goodness with just 3 ingredients. You don't need any mixers, there are no complicated steps, and they come together in just minutes. Let's get started. In a bowl, add 1 cup of butter or margarine, and mix until soft and creamy. Add half a cup of powdered sugar and mix until it's light and fluffy. Sieve 1 cup of all-purpose flour to avoid getting any lumps in your mixture. Mix until well combined. Sieve another cup of all-purpose flour and mix. Now you're going to transfer your mixture onto a lightly floured surface. Roll your dough into a log. Transfer the log onto some cling film. Seal it and try to roll it out into an even log. Try and make it as even as you can. Put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes or in the fridge for about 1 hour. Once your dough has hardened, cut into even slices and place them on a lined baking sheet. Make sure to leave a little bit of space between each one. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Once they're out of the oven, let them cool down to room temperature. And just like that, you have the perfect crumbly butter cookies that are perfect with some tea or some coffee, or can be enjoyed just as they are. If you liked this recipe, hit that like button, subscribe for more baking videos, and let me know in the comment section how yours turned out. See you next time.